English conversation. Grocery shopping.
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
The bread is in aisle 2, on the left side.
Thank you. And do you have fresh milk?
Yes, it's in the refrigerator section at the back of the store.
Great. I also need eggs. Are they near the milk?
Yes, they are right next to the milk.
Perfect. Do you sell brown sugar?
Yes, it's in aisle 4, with the baking items.
Okay. How much is one packet?
It's $2.50 for a 1 kilogram packet.
That's good. Do you take card or only cash?
We accept both card and cash.
Good to know. And do you have any discounts today?
Yes, bananas and apples are 20% off today.
That's great. I'll take some apples too. Where are they?
In the produce section, right near the entrance.
Thanks. That's all I need. Where is the checkout?
The checkout is on the right, near the exit door.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.